Welcome to the boat show. Today we're checking out the 280 GFX from Twin VEE. Absolute beasts on the water. These are the best riding boats on the water. Also, when you're stepping into the boat, not much movement, great hull design. So this boat is custom rigged with Mercury 225s. It's going to push it around 53 miles an hour. It's got a 9.6 beam and it's got a LOA of 28 feet. So this boat is ready for the family or a day of fishing on the water. We have a 40-gallon live well in the leaning post area, tackle storage, rod holders everywhere you look, and these beautiful back seats. You can pull them out of the way and fish it real hard. Up here we have great visibility at the helm, superior safety with these grab rails, very comfortable seating for you and your first mate. We have twin Simrad displays, 16-inch, everything you need for a day on the water, your power controls, giddy up and go. So this is a symmetrical planing catamaran with a keel built into the sponson, gives you excellent tracking. Hey, my wife loves the sun, she's gonna love coming up here, catch the rays. But underneath, we got an insulated coffin box, you can take the cushions off, fish it hard, more storage up front as well. So if you're looking for offshore performance, a day in the sun, or you're gonna fish it real hard, this Twin VEE 280 GFX is the boat you need to check out.